Hello and welcome again to section 2, Understanding the Machine Learning Pipeline. So let me first list down the things we're going to take a look at in this section. Setting up a virtual environment with Anaconda, installing TensorFlow inside your virtual environment, understanding the end-to-end machine learning pipeline, using the TensorFlow API for image recognition, and finally, deploying your first machine learning application using Flask. So let's look at how can we create a virtual environment using Anaconda and install TensorFlow. So Anaconda is the most popular Python distribution among data scientists. To download the Anaconda distribution, go to anaconda.com/download, choose your operating system, and then choose the Anaconda installer. I'm going to download the 64-bit command line installer for Python 3.6. So once downloaded, I shall run the command line installer for Anaconda and I shall follow the instructions on screen. We shall hit enter to continue. So there's the license agreement. We shall press Q and type in yes. Now we can type in enter to accept the installation path. Installation prefix or the path will be added to your bash profile after the installation is complete. The installation might take some time, so again, I should be back after the installation. So once the installation is done, we have been prompted to add the Anaconda path to our bash profile. We shall type in yes and hit enter. So once we have Anaconda downloaded and installed, we can go ahead and create our first virtual environment. So after creating the virtual environment, we have to activate it. So once our environment is activated, it will be reflected in our prompt, and now we can go ahead and install TensorFlow. So installing TensorFlow might take some time, but after it is done, we'll be able to create our deep learning applications using TensorFlow APIs. And after installation complete, we can verify the installation simply by typing Python-C within quotes import TensorFlow. And after running this, if we get no errors, then we can be sure that TensorFlow has been installed properly within our virtual environment.